You know, this could have been a lot more easier.
I'm not going along. I mean, you're lame.
I'm not lame. You're lame. I give you 10 seconds of thinking time, and then... Think. I've got to think.
Yes!
You've got mail.
Houston, we have a problem.
It's time to kick ass and chew bubble gum. And I'm all out of gum.
Hi, Billy Mays here for the big
Kaboom! Kaboom!
Calm down. I'm armed. He's not. I'm armed. He's not.
Kaboom!
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes. Got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away. I'm sick of this life.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some writing to do.